Sampson County in central North Carolina, eastern Harnett County in central North Carolina, Cumberland County in central North Carolina, south central Wake County in central North Carolina, southwestern Wilson County in central North Carolina, Johnston County in central North Carolina until 6:15.
Uh-oh.
At 5:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located.
Oh, no.
Extending from
No, I'm under a tornado warning.
next to near Cleo.
No.
35
I'm under a tornado warning.
hazard.
WNG706 is going off.
And penny-size hail.
We're possibly going to have a doubleheader.
Impact.
I'm under a tornado warning.
Roofs, siding, and trees.
Western Wayne County, Sampson County, Eastern Harnett County,
Why didn't you go off?
County, South Central Wake County, South 60 miles per hour, Johnson and nickel-sized hail.
Here we go. Tornado warning for me! Tornado warning for me! Tornado warning for me! I'm under a tornado warning!
Remington has issued a tornado warning for Southern County in southeastern North Carolina.
That's me.
At 5:45 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line winds
Whoa.
were located near Fairmont, or 10 miles east of Dillon, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado.
Is the TV going on? No.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will
Oh my
occur.
God.
Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Fairmont around 5:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Orem and Proctorville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Yeah, I'm under a tornado warning.
Flood advisory remains.